Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Today we'll be showcasing cut work tussar sarees andi. Complete embroidered patterns ostunna sarees with cut work borders so and printed borders ostunna sarees ivi. Soft tussar saree chaala flowy fabric andi. Manaki comfortable ga untundi. Tussar lo unna elegance gaani richness aithe ee sarees lo kuda untundi. Perfect workwear collections ani cheptanu. Travel kuda chaala baaguntundi. So all these sarees measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse. Ee sarees aithe manam ఇంట్లో హ్యాండ్ వాష్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది and these sarees way below 400 grams and they are non-transparent sarees. So let's get into today's video. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, directly visit to our stores located in Kondapur and Kukatpalli. And fourth one, book a video call slot me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamu. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite sarees. So one more way to get connected with Rangvarsha Sarees product is our Instagram channel. So don't forget to follow us for our regular updates. The first design for today, neen drape cheskunna tussar saree andi. It's a embroidered tussar saree with a printed border. Steel grey color lo saree untundi. Body lo light peach, pink and beige color combination embroidered motifs aithe body mottam vastundi. 5 inches ki we have printed borders on either sides. This is the pallu. So pallu lo kuda same ade border lo unna ade print pallu ku vastundi. Blouse is also a contrast color printed blouse priced at 2200, free shipping. The next one, a beige color tussar saree andi. Idi kuda color combination manaki chaala subtle ga untundi. Beige base meeda contrast white color lo floral embroidery anedi body mottam vastundi. Both sides beige with navy blue color combination shibori pattern printed borders anedi both sides of the saree ku untundi. One side of the saree ki 3 inches ki cut work border anedi vastundi. So this is the pattern of the saree. Color combination pattern kuda chaala different ga untundi and this comes with a printed pallu. So pallu kuda manaki border lo unna ade printed pattern aithe pallu ku vastundi. Blouse also follows the same pattern priced at 2200, free shipping. The next design in cut work tussar saree andi. An embroidered body, printed borders and one side cut work borders ostundi. A dark onion pink and lavender mixed shade అని చెప్పొచ్చు. అలాంటి షేడ్ లో సారీ ఉంటుంది. 1 inch floral embroidered borders runs throughout the body. మనకు అలాంటి embroidered motifs తో బాడీలో చిన్న చిన్న ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ అనేది వస్తుంది. బోత్ సైడ్స్ మల్టీ కలర్ ప్రింటెడ్ బోర్డర్స్. బేజ్ అండ్ డార్క్ వైన్ షేడెడ్ లో మనకి ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది అండ్ వన్ సైడ్ ఒక 4 inches కి కట్ వర్క్ బార్డర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద లుక్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. ప్రింటెడ్ పల్లు, మొత్తం ప్రింటెడ్ ప్యాటర్న్ తో పల్లు అనేది వస్తుంది. బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో అ ప్రింటెడ్ బ్లౌజ్ ప్రైస్డ్ at 2200, free shipping. The next pattern in cut work tussar sarees andi. Idi kuda onion pink shade lo vastundi. Border aithe shibori printed border. So shibori prints anedi wavy pattern lo vastundi. Body lo pedda embroidered motifs, beige color embroidered motifs vastunnai. Idi kuda color combination chaala subtle and neat ga untundi. And this saree also follows the same pattern. Manaki border lo unna print pallu ku vastundi and the same print comes for the blouse as well and this is priced at 2200, free shipping. The next pattern in embroidered tussar sarees andi. This saree also comes with a light body and a dark color border. Light green shade lo manaku body untundi, dantlo beige color combination embroidered motifs aithe throughout the body ki vastundi, and both sides we have dark bottle green shaded shibori printed borders. Idi color combination, and the saree comes with a shibori pattern printed pallu matched with a printed blouse priced at 2200, free shipping. The next design in cut work tussar sarees andi. Idi kuda light base lo light rust color lo saree untundi. Embroidered motifs runs throughout the body. Wavy pattern printed borders, a 5-inch wavy pattern printed border on the either side, and one side of the saree carries cut work border. Idi 3 inches ki manaki cut work border anedi vastundi. Complete geometrical pattern lo cut work border anedi untundi, and this saree carries a printed pallu, and the saree comes with a contrast color printed blouse priced at 2200, free shipping. The next design in cut work tussar andi. Idi kuda brown shade lo untundi saree. Geometrical pattern embroidery runs throughout the body. Both sides dark brown and light brown combination lo shibori printed borders anedi vastundi, and one side of the saree cut work border anedi untundi. Beige color combination cut work border vastundi. So this is the look of the saree. Idi kuda pattern color combination very subtle and elegant. And this is the pallu. Pallu lo same border lo na ade design pallu kostundi. The blouse is also a shibori printed blouse priced at 2200, free shipping. Next pattern in embroidered tussar saree. This saree is in a light sea blue shade lo floral embroidered motifs vastunnai. Both sides beige and blue color combination shibori pattern printed borders aithe saree lo untundi. So this is the look of the saree. Color combination chaala subtle ga untundandi, and so this is the pallu. These sarees are single tone sarees. Manaki body, pallu and blouse anedi same color vastundi. Printed patterns aithe blouse and pallu lo untundi. Next pattern in embroidered tussar saree, a navy blue shaded tussar saree andi. Body lo manaki figures pattern embroidery vastundi. Light blue shade, indigo blue shade lo embroidered body anedi untundi. Both sides beige base meeda elephant pattern printed borders vastunnai. So this is the look of the saree, and idi pallu. Pallu anedi kuda complete printed pattern lo untundi. Blouse is also an elephant pattern printed blouse priced at 2200, free shipping. So by this we are coming to the end of today's episode. Embroidered tussar sarees with cut work borders. So different color combinations, subtle and bright shades lo sarees chusemandi. Comfortable fabric, budget friendly collection. Deentlo meeku edi kavalana just send a screenshot to a WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. You can also visit our stores located in Kondapur and Kukatpalli. Thank you and happy shopping.